The Right to Information Act, referred to as the Aam Aadmi's only power to question the powerful, is facing a tough battle in Maharashtra. The state government, in a bizarre order, has decided to keep the government and semi-government buildings out of RTI's ambit. In fact, as perceived by many, the move is going to benefit the corrupt politicians and builders. But what is there to hide? That's the question we are asking. Why is Maharashtra government stonewalling the RTI? Ashish gets you this exclusive report.
One building in South Mumbai exposed the corruption at the highest levels of the government and bureaucracy. Two more buildings with high-profile and powerful residents in South Mumbai's Worli area are under scanner for violating construction norms. With more such cases emerging, the Maharashtra government doesn't want to take any chances anymore.
This order issued by Chief State Information Commissioner Ratnakar Gaikwad is applicable on government, semi-government and private buildings as well. The RTI activists and legal experts have clearly described it as illegal and an attempt to shield politicians, bureaucrats and builders who indulge in illegal construction. And now they are planning to challenge this order in the court.
So what's the Maharashtra government hiding with this directive?
I think there is only one set of people who will benefit from this. Basically, it's the builders and the developers who do illegal activities or who are making illegal buildings.
Why is the Maharashtra government stonewalling RTI queries regarding buildings across the city?
Mr. Ratnakar Gaikwad, who has issued this order, himself was the MMRDA commissioner when the occupation certificate for Adarsh Society was given in a tremendous haste, and he was also examined by the Inquiry Commission.
Over the last few months, citizens have had to pay the price for illegal constructions. Many have done it with their lives. And more recently, residents of this building have been crushed by corruption. Is hiding the truth behind such violations in turn also an attempt to shield the builder-politician nexus in the future? The Maharashtra government is caught on this one. With Ashish and Niranjan in Mumbai, Shobit Mittal for Times Now.